wanted to give basic informations to you. This is Unity Awareness Program. That program is conducted through Skill Development Department. So every student is getting 70,000 in the 2 years of the term. So after your graduation or after your diploma or after your degree completion. Am I right, sir? After your graduation, degree completion, you have some time to have a training, like how sir has told, he has spoken to you earlier before me. He was presenting the things, so you get some training, same skill development program or committee or a commission. Some department is trained through government, and that department is giving training to every college, every government college and every private college. This scheme is not only for the government school students or government degree college student. It is the program for entire student who has completed his diploma or who has completed his degree. So why this program? See, after my degree completion or after my diploma completion, I will not get the best job. I will never get a best job unless I get a proper training, or if I am skilled, if I am fit to that post, then I get an appointment. You please understand why we have come here. So some companies are ready to come to KGF. Some companies, they have some plan and they have some procedures, and government is ready to give some piece of land to the company. So I give one example, because that company is initially stepping into KGF. One company which has started a toy cluster company, toy industry, which is at Koppal, and some company which has started in aerospace. It is nearly in I think almost 3,000 crores, or I don't know exactly. This company has started one aerospace at Belgaum. The same company has registered that it is asking some land, more than 150 acres. 150 acres. Arvind Balgere. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದರ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಅವರು ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಬಳ್ಳಿಗೆರೆ ಅಂತನೋ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ. N number of employment for the younger generation. N number of employment for an younger generation. His investment for any aerospace or toy cluster is more than 3,000 crores to 5,000, 10,000 crores. His investment is more than 10,000 crores. And he has taken some initiatives to come to KGF, where exactly near opposite or nearby to the BEMEL also. And his plans to get one aerospace industry in the KGF. So every degree holder or every diploma student will not get the job unless we are the resource person, or I am a skilled or a resource person. That was the only reason government has taken one initiative to educate the younger generation or the students before you complete your degree. That was the one department, the skill development department. They will have a coordination with with the teaching, and at the same time professionally they wanted to train you in the skilled also. Any company which is going to take some initiative in the KGF land or nearby KGF land, they want the students not with a degree, not with a degree certificate or the percentage. They really want the skilled person. So as sir was explaining about the Tata Groups, one Tata Group has taken some initiative and they have invested more than 400 crores for the ITI industries. ITI college, not the industry, ITI college. And more than 400 crores. And they are training initially in the government ITI colleges, and they are preparing to give the best job opportunities after they complete their ITI or diploma. That was the one company, ITI Groups, Tata Groups. Tata Udyog Mitra or Tata Groups, they have taken that initiative and they have tied up with our government ITI college also. And I have called these officers to educate you. After your basic degree or basic education, you should have the training program with the government institution. You should have the training program. For the training program, you need some you need some fees, or you need some daily traveling. You will have expenses. You will have your own expenses. For that concern, government has planned to give a UNIDHI program to your doorsteps. Government has a dream to give one program, that is UNIDHI. After your diploma or after your graduation, degree completion, you will have some training program. For that training program, you should register or you should enroll. In that enrollment, if you are fit to that, you will get 70,000. How much? For 2 years, entire 2 years, for your proper banking exam training, IAS exam training, or KS exam training, any government post or any private sectors, if you want to have a basic training, so you will have, government is going to properly, they will give a one program. In that program, in 1.5 years or 2 years, to take a training, you will get 70,000. In a 2 years of your term, you will get 70,000. Educate you. It is only to strengthen you students, and please give the awareness to the concern. So this program is not for the first year student and second year student, but make use of this program. In entire 5 years, every student is eligible after you complete your graduation. Every student, every diploma graduate is also eligible. That is our concern. I think much of our students are not aware of all these things. Please make use of this program, not only for individual student, it is for entire Karnataka. This program, we have taken the initiative to educate you, strengthen you, and at the same time, you have to be empowered yourself. That was the reason and our concern to make this program, or organize this program, or educate this program. Make use of this. Thank you, students.
ஆரம்பிக்கலாங்களா? தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம். வாங்க.